Yeah, I mean, if you look right now in this EV craze that we're seeing, we're really a golden age for EV vehicles. Really, what quantum focuses on is what I'll call solid state lithium. And what this really could do, in terms of what they've demoed, this can increase the charge by 80%, from what you see today. So it really could potentially revolutionize the EV industry relative to the constraints that we've seen on lithium ion. But it's always been the holy grail to get here on the EV battery side. It appears they have cracked some of the code. Now, just like you talked about, can they ultimately scale this to a factory and ultimately widespread? That's going to be the focus.
Milestone, breakthrough, and potential. QuantumScape had just embarked on a journey to transform the electric vehicle industry with its cutting-edge solid-state battery technology. This move couldn't be timelier, given the recent dip in EV sales due to concerns over charging infrastructure. With QuantumScape's innovative batteries promising to alleviate range anxiety and accelerate EV adoption, could this be the game changer the industry needs?
Well, what do people that actually know something in this area say? I'm talking about physicists, and I guess maybe it's even quantum physics at this point. Is it possible to have a Moore's law progression in EV, or are there physical constraints that don't make that possible just based on the nature of things?
Well, that's always been the issue. 40 years trying to crack this code. If you look at how they've demoed it in terms of what they've figured out on solid state battery technology, it appears at least that they have started to have massive success here. And I think that's really what's been the eye opener for investors here, in terms of, and of course they're backed by Bill Gates, VW, so strong backers. If they could scale this, it's a game changer. But that's going to be the question: is that can this be scaled at a massive level that could really be deployed? If it can, it changes the whole paradigm.
QuantumScape is on a mission to shake up the EV industry with its solid-state battery technology. In 2024, as EV sales hit a speed bump due to charging concerns, QuantumScape's innovation couldn't be more timely. With traditional lithium-ion batteries limiting range due to low energy density, QuantumScape's higher energy density batteries could be the solution to range anxiety, spurring renewed interest in EVs. Recently, QuantumScape made waves in the market as its stock soared by 10% following an announcement of progress in commercializing its batteries. One major milestone achieved was the shipment of the initial trial version of a prototype battery cell to customers, a goal set for 2024. Another milestone on their agenda is to kickstart low-volume production of their first commercial product, the QSE-5 battery cell. For over a year now, QuantumScape has been diligently enhancing its solid-state technology, aiming to meet the demands of potential automotive customers. The latest iteration of their prototype cells, now being shipped, offers customers the chance to assess key performance parameters and prototype-level reliability.
I mean, they can't be alone in trying to work on this. What is their proprietary approach to doing this?
Yeah, it's really been, what I'll call the golden goose is on the metallic lithium side. They've figured out from a solid state perspective how to ultimately, deploy this without using what I'll call wet electric lights. And if you use dry ones, that could be something that doesn't have issues in cold, which continues to be something on the EV, and ultimately could, per charge, get it upwards 50 to 80% more, in terms of per charge. And I think that's really the key here. If you start to look at 500, 600 miles per charge, changes the whole economics of EV. And it's everything that Tesla, as well as all the other EV players in China, are going after. And I think it speaks to what you're seeing. It really, not just the golden age, but parabolic, sort of appetite for these stocks, not just Tesla, but the whole EV food chain.
Now, at the near end of March, QuantumScape experienced a notable 8% rise in its stock value, a significant boost that brought the company to break even for the month. Despite this surge, QuantumScape remains 10% below its starting point for the year. Investors are now pondering whether this uptick signals a potential recovery for QuantumScape or if it's simply a temporary peak. The catalyst for this rise was QuantumScape's announcement of the shipment of its Alpha 2 prototype battery to customers. While the Alpha 2 isn't a commercial product yet, it marks a crucial milestone for the company, signaling progress toward commercialization. This prototype serves as the basis for designing manufacturing facilities for mass production, indicating QuantumScape's commitment to scaling up its operations. The recent appointment of Dr. Shiva Sivaram as president and CEO further underscores QuantumScape's shift towards becoming a battery manufacturer rather than just a technology licensor. This strategic direction provides clarity for investors and highlights the company's focus on achieving its goals. However, the ultimate test lies in whether the Alpha 2 prototype lives up to its promises. While the previous A0 prototype exceeded expectations, the current iteration represents a step closer to bringing the QSE5 version to market, which is pivotal for QuantumScape's future success. However, there are some analysts who caution against getting too carried away with QuantumScape's recent progress. Despite the advancements made with the Alpha 2 prototype, there's still a significant journey ahead before reaching the QSE5 version. QuantumScape acknowledges the importance of focusing on battery reliability and ramping up production processes, particularly with their Raptor phase. Reliability remains a crucial factor in the success of QuantumScape's solid-state batteries. While the A0 prototype showed promise, the company recognized the need for improvements in reliability. This is common in groundbreaking technologies, where practical application often encounters challenges despite promising concepts. QuantumScape is taking measured steps to address these challenges, aiming to ensure the success of their technology. The shift towards solid-state batteries offers numerous benefits, including denser cell energy, faster charge times, enhanced safety, and lower costs. QuantumScape's innovative approach involves using a flexible ceramic material for cell separators, which helps prevent the formation of dendrites that can cause battery short-outs. This design also enables the creation of anode-free batteries, with anodes forming themselves on the first charge. However, despite the promising advancements, achieving scalability remains a significant challenge. QuantumScape is still facing failures along the way and is actively seeking feedback from customers to improve its batteries. While the company has sufficient funds to sustain operations until 2026, there's a pressing need to overcome scalability issues and perfect the technology. But before we move on, we just want to thank you for watching this far. Now, it's time for us to look closer at QuantumScape stock performance. According to Zacks, analysts are closely watching the upcoming earnings release of QuantumScape Corporation. Expectations are set at minus 20 cents per share, indicating a year-over-year growth of 16.67%. It's crucial for investors to keep an eye on any recent modifications to analyst estimates, as these adjustments reflect the changing dynamics of short-term business patterns. Research suggests that positive estimate revisions are correlated with near-term share price momentum. The Zacks rank system, ranging from number 1, strong buy, to number 5, strong sell, is designed to capitalize on this phenomenon. Stocks with the number 1 rank have historically generated impressive annual returns, averaging at plus 25% since 1988. Currently, QuantumScape Corporation holds a Zacks rank of number 3, hold, indicating a neutral stance. Additionally, it's important to note that the automotive original equipment industry, to which QuantumScape belongs, is ranked 151 out of over 250 industries, placing it within the bottom 41%. This ranking assesses the overall strength of industry groups, with top-rated industries typically outperforming the bottom half by a significant margin. And now, a word of caution for investors considering QuantumScape stock. While the company shows promise with its steady progress, its batteries are not yet ready for widespread adoption. It's advisable to refrain from going all in on QuantumScape at this stage. Instead, observers should consider making small investments to stay informed about QuantumScape's advancements. QuantumScape has the potential to revolutionize the EV battery market, but it's crucial to wait for further developments before making significant investment decisions. Investors should carefully navigate QuantumScape's journey and monitor potential investment opportunities. The future outlook for QuantumScape could have a significant impact on the EV industry as a whole. So, what do you think? Is QuantumScape poised to change the game in the EV battery market, or is it too early to tell? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know more about EV stocks, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.